السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. فيديو اليوم مختلف عن الفيديوهات الموجودة بالقناة. خلال الأسبوع الماضي رحت لمدينة سياتل الأمريكية لأحضر AWS Global Ambassador Summit. خلال زيارتي للمدينة زرت مقر شركة امازون. حبيت اني اساوي لكم جولة سريعة داخل المكان يلي بيشتغلوا فيه موظفي امازون بهالمدينة. اسم البناء The Spheres، يعني مثل الكرات السماوية، ومنظر البناء من برا مميز جدا بصراحة، شي مبهر، يعني حسيت حالي بكوكب تاني. خلونا نبلش جولتنا من داخل المبنى سوا.
Okay, so we are here today at the Sphere. So it's like a big giant greenhouse. As you can see, there's a little water feature going on. There's a lot of people, and we are going to have some fun.
Thank you.
Water feature. In here, but it's still nice enough.
Yeah.
Pretty flowers.
Yeah. I thought those are artificial, but it seems like
No,
they
these
are
are
not.
real.
Okay.
They did a good job keeping up with it. Very healthy. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you.
So is this like the plants from certain area, like from the Amazon or something?
So a lot of people think that because we're in an Amazon building,
Right, yeah.
everything here is based on the Amazon rainforest. But if it was, it would feel really uncomfortable because this is an alternative workspace for Amazonian employees. So they thought, okay, how can we make it more comfortable? They thought of cloud forests, which are usually at an elevation of about 3,000 feet, so it's much cooler and not as humid. So a lot of these plants in the forest area that you'll see around you come from the Western Hemisphere, so Central, South America. So we have our Butcher airvoids, we have our Caphelius, and we have our bromeliads as well.
Yeah, you guys did a good job keeping them alive, which
Oh,
is
yeah.
much more than I can say for myself at home.
Oh yeah, we have a great team of horticulturists that
Oh,
look after
good.
them.
And by the way, do you mind me publishing this video online?
Up to you.
I think so, yeah. I've never had it asked before, but yeah, that should be fine.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, you will be the star. Thank you. That was
you.
very
Thank you so
helpful.
much.
Have a good day.
You as well. Whoa. Amazon office, Seattle.
Canopy, the wood is black locust wood, and it flexes when you step on it. So this was created to allow employees of Amazon to basically stop and think. It's so easy to walk on a solid path and not really think any different. But the idea of this is to give a different mindset as you come to work and just stop in the moment, because a lot of the time we can rush very quickly through life, and that's the idea of the canopy, is to just slow down and take in things, especially when you have a view like this.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Okay. All right, here we are today at the Sphere. So we're getting ready to get to the top floor, and we had gotten some really good information about the Sphere from our wonderful guides here. They were super helpful, and I just loved that little nest there that we were on earlier. It's just a really great place to just sit and think and look at that blue sky. Can't get a better day to be here today. It's just perfect here. If you want to just sit and think, there are a lot of places that you can just sit and do that. Or if you want some coffee, there's a little coffee shop there too. So, and I think that's a popular spot for taking pictures, and we did take some good pictures of it. And you can see there's still a lot of people taking pictures there too.
We go to the last room.
Like I lived in rural Japan. Some of my older coworkers
Oh look, there's a little spot for sunbathing over there at the corner if you need extra vitamin D. It's really cozy.
Seems like a 5-star hotel, not an office.
I know, under the sun. Lots
Yeah.
of sun. You won't be lacking vitamin D here.
You betcha. The Spheres was built to celebrate biophilia, which is the idea that as humans we all want to be connected to nature. So perfect camera turn. And so the idea was we developed an alternative workspace that really celebrated plants from a cloud forest environment or ecosystem. So 50,000 almost individual plants, upwards of 30 countries represented, and 1,000 different species. And we opened in 2018 and get about 1,000 visitors a day.
Oh, cool. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Perfect.
Have a good
وهيك بنكون وصلنا لنهاية فيديو اليوم. إن شاء الله تكونوا انبسطتوا. إذا حابين نسوي لكم فيديوهات مشابهة لهذا الفيديو بحيث صور مقرات الشركات التقنية الكبيرة ضمن أمريكا، اكتبوا لي هالشي ضمن التعليقات. بشوفكم بالفيديو الجاي، والسلام عليكم.